Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be short and sweet, but very informative. I want to keep it this way as much as possible. Now, I was hanging out with my friends. Okay, no one cares about that part. Let's fast forward. I reached to in my pocket and I pulled out my phone and I swiped to refresh and I'm seeing chargeback, chargeback, chargeback. And this is on my Wix account, my payment processing system, right? And then I get an email too, chargeback, chargeback. Of course, double notification because I have notifications always coming in. I'm pretty forgetful. I got a lot of things going on. So the chargebacks are for $355 and another chargeback for $444. Same client for the same event. And I'm thinking, what the heck is going on? So now I'm still trying to enjoy my night right there with the fellas and vibe out. You know, I really don't really do that stuff. I'd rather be at home because of my loner qualities, which is, I think, a good thing, focusing on the business. So this morning I thought to myself, okay, I'm going to go through the motion. I'm going to use this as experience, and then I'm gonna go on my channel and share this information with you guys, and this is what I'm doing right now. So okay, now I have to file a dispute. When it comes to filing a dispute, you guys need as much evidence as possible. So that's why you guys have to have your contracts in place. That's gonna help to a degree. If you guys don't have a 360 booth contract, no, you can buy that at my store for like $10. Okay, let's get that out of the way. The contract is the obvious thing. In addition to that, make sure guys try to communicate with your clients through email and text message as much as possible so that you guys have what's called in some places paper trail. But this is not really paper trail because it's all virtual and digital, but at least you guys can send screenshots of those emails and those text messages, okay? So please note that down. When you are at the event, now I do this naturally. I like taking photos and videos when I am at the event, which later you can use those same videos and photos as evidence like, hey, this is the client on top of my booth having a good time. I rendered those services successfully. All right, but on top of that, before you guys even leave your house, make sure you guys have insurance for your business. Now, I know I sound like a salesman, but quite honestly, I am doing a lot of things here on this channel. I'm being an informative guy. I'm bringing the bad and the good. And I know this sounds bad, and trust me guys, as I was going through the submission of the dispute process, I couldn't help it but to think positive things, at least trying to frame them that way, because in the morning I learned that when I'm asking God, when I'm asking the universe to bless me with wisdom, intuition, and allow me to continue to accelerate through life, you got to be careful what you wish for, because what I'm really asking for is to become greater. To become greater, you have to go through hurdles and experience setbacks. You have to go through things that are going to allow you to be a problem solver. And as you go through the process of solving that issue, it's never fun, right? There's a lot of friction. You're doing it for the first time, so you don't know who to call, when to call, and all that great stuff. So now that I'm doing this here, this chargeback, it allows me to grow experience and then pass that on to you guys to make your pain less painful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And one more thing that I feel like I don't want to miss out on. It's important that you guys do the text message back and forth, because, for example, like this specific client, I send a text message saying, hey, I sent you the link to the master gallery. Did you receive the link? And then she confirmed yes. So what does that mean? That means that the client is basically admitting that I provided a photo booth service, and therefore she is collecting all the videos from her event through email, which she confirmed she received. So those text message threads are going to be used in the dispute process, guys. I'll kind of keep you updated. I don't really want to put too much negativity out there, but I do want you guys to know that sometimes things don't go according to plan, and it's those same things that are going to teach us to be better, more efficient, and wiser photo booth business owners, or business owners in general. I hope this video helps. If you hit the like button, it's going to help reach more people like us, and I hope this information really helps you guys, because I don't want to waste my time putting out information out there that's not going to be useful. Take care, and the best of luck for you on your very next event. Peace.